Welcome back, everybody. It is Friday once again, or is it? This definitely feels like a Friday. That feels like a Monday. So I wish it was Sunday, but tomorrow is Saturday, or whatever. Let's fix it with the little Mickeys. This is a 12-ounce grenade fine malt liquor. This does come in 40s and cans, but I like the look and feel of this. This is the way I feel this week went. We should pull the pin on the grenade, chuck it over, and whatever happens, happens. The other thing too, Mickey's, I don't know what the significance of that hornet on there, but that could be a murder hornet for all I know. You know, hats off to marketing, right? But let's get this thing open. And if you're a little curious about malt liquor, it smells pretty good. Generally, it's bottom fermented. Yeah, it is a fine malt liquor, that's for sure. You know, Mickey started in the 1960s in Evansville, Indiana, which was previously probably more well-known Larry Bird in the hometown of Don Mattingly for sports fans. But other than that, they're out of Milwaukee, Wisconsin now. Like every good beer company should have something to do in Wisconsin. This is actually kind of refreshing. I haven't had one of these in years. Let's see if you could see this in here. This is under the cap, under the Mickey's cap. So there's a circle and a line, there's a guy with a bar over his head, and then a number 2 and 2 bars. There's very tiny arrows. I'm sorry you really can't see them very well. The lighting is not getting in there, though it's kind of washing it out. But basically this is a puzzle that says, don't work out too long. It took me a second to figure that out. If I was on my 3rd or 4th Mickey's, I would have never gotten that. Again, I kind of like the artwork here. Really nice job for an American beer that you know, has a couple of surprises. So what makes this malt liquor? It's malted barley. There's some additional sugar in here, so it's a little bit sweeter, but not bitter. It actually is slightly fruity smelling. So like I said, this is very refreshing. If you're going to drink malt liquor or try malt liquor, this is a good one to start with. There are some others out there that are a little bit more harsh and flat tasting. This tastes very fresh, so it has a proper carbonation, tastes like a nice beer. A little bit different than your typical lager. That's for obvious reasons. I think that they did a great job with this. I mean, for what it is and for what you're going to pay for it, it's like $1.50 or something. It's a great value. 5.6% alcohol, plenty of bang for your buck. So yeah, go green. Oh yeah, definitely a happy hour toast to like and subscribe and comment to. You know, raise your glasses, whatever, to whom and for whatever you are drinking to. For me, it's the end of another great week, and I hope you guys had a great week too. So we'll see you next time. Until then, catch a buzz with your cut.